welcome back to my channel dear. So today's video I'm gonna be sharing you a bridal eyeshadow makeup or a party eyeshadow makeup tutorial that was requested one of my family members. So let's get started. And the thing that I have done is I have concealed and baked my eyes. So let's just begin. First step, I'm using this Miniso eyeshadow palette and the applicator comes with it already. I'm taking the black shade and applying into my outer corner of the eye. I have done my outer crease. Now I'm gonna do the inner corner. For the inner corner, I'm using this copper gold shade from the highlighter that I use. I am in love with this copper gold color. I'm applying it like this with my fingers, not with any brush or anything. I thought it will be convenient to apply with a brush, so now I am applying this Lakme Line to 5 eyeliner and drawing a wing, and that will be my complete eye makeup. So this is my final eye makeup tutorial. I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you want to pair up with a mascara or a kajal, you can definitely do it. But I like to keep it simple as possible. So let's go and say bye-bye. I will meet you guys in my next video. Till then, bye.